Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, special welcome to you. If you are a return viewer, welcome back. So today's video is very short and to the point. Yes, we are doing another crochet braid. You guys already know I am the crochet braid queen. Okay, so I am making some boxes as we speak. I am actually making um medium-sized boxes, I would say, making sure to braid the hair initially, then I transition from a braid into a twist all the way to the very end of the hair. And I am doing individual crochet goddess faux locks. Individual crochet goddess faux locks. Yes, yes, yes. And so for the individual technique, you want to make sure that you braid the natural hair. Yes, the entire head. Make sure that you braid everything up. You can braid each one and then attach the lock individually one by one, or you can braid everything first, then install the locks after, which I find to be, a much better option. Now for the braiding step, very importantly, you want to make sure that you pay keen attention to the number of braids that you are doing. Make sure that you count the number of faux locks that you have on hand before you start to install braids. Don't just blindly braid the hair without knowing how many braids you can afford to make, all right, based on how much hair you have. In my case, I have 98 braids. And so I do not want to go over that number. It is the most difficult process to try to remove braids after you've already installed everything and have them perfectly positioned, to have to undo a few rows in order to get the number to, match the amount of locks that you have. Yeah, it's best to do it at the front end instead of at the back end, because it saves you a whole lot of time and a whole lot of heartache. All right, so we are braiding and we're almost at the top of her head, just finishing up this, first phase. It's a two-phase process, and I'm going to definitely be giving you guys the details about the hair. Once I show it to you, I will give you a little bit more information about the hair, but this is what her fully braided hair is looking like. Very neatly done. Yeah, I think we should send her to school looking like this, right? Why not? All right, yeah, so that's the first step. So this is the hair. I'm inserting my crochet tool into the loop, attaching her hair to the crochet hook, pulling her hair through the loop of the locks, insert the tool at the base of her braid, and then put the end of her hair through the crochet, pull that through the base, and that anchors the lock onto her hair. Now we have the wrapping hair, and we're going to just hold the top part of the wrapping hair against her hair at the base and then start wrapping. And I wrap in place for about 3 or 4 times before I start wrapping downwards. Now, for the wrapping process, you want to use a piece of hair that is enough for you to wrap, just enough to cover the parts of her hair that is exposed. So that black portion of hair that you're seeing between the roots of her hair and where the lock joins her hair is what you want to wrap. So once I cover that portion, then I'm just going to be starting to wrap the balance of that hair upwards until it is all wrapped. Then I will palm roll it just to seal it and make it neat and look like one seamless handmade lock. All right, so lock number 1 is done. It looks super long, however, this is 18 inches. This hair is actually from Amazon, and I will leave the exact link to the hair down below. The color is called ginger. Looks very gingery, right? Yeah, the color is called ginger. 18 inches. They're faux goddess locks. All right, and the spring twist hair is also available from Amazon. It's 12 inches in length. Oh, back to the locks. The package does come with 7 packs. Each pack has 14 locks, and I used all 7 packs. So in all, I used 98 locks to complete this style. And for the wrapping here, you want to go ahead and get 2 packages. Each package has 3 12-inch bundles. And even though you won't use all 2 packages, yeah, but you will definitely need more than one. So go ahead and get you 2 packages and you will be good to go to achieve this or a similar style. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to mention that the wrapping hair, the color of that hair is number 350. It perfectly matches the ginger color of the faux locks, however. All right, so we are going ahead and we're continuing with the process, the wrapping process. In all, like I said before, we have 98 locks. And the texture of the locks, guys, I love the texture of this particular hair. It's not shiny. It is nice and natural looking. And so I love that about the hair. It's not heavy at all, not very heavy. It is on the lighter side. And yeah, it's a perfect style for you guys if you want something that is nice and versatile, trendy, easy to wear, low maintenance, you name it. This is the hair for you. All right, so we're on the last one again, and just finishing up that last lock, and then you guys will see the grand finale. Yeah, the finished look. All right, so we're just finishing up that last portion of the wrapping, after which we're going to do our palm rolling, and voila, we are done. Of course, adding some mousse, especially to smooth down that the root area which was wrapped, but everything is nice. The ends also look pretty soft and defined, and this is how it's looking. It is giving me the Little Mermaid vibes right now. That nice fire red color of the locks is really channeling the Little Mermaid. All right, so yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you for tolerating me and watching my channel. I appreciate the interaction, the subscriptions, and the love that you guys show. Take care, and we will definitely catch up on my next one. I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so stay tuned for that. Bye.